Hiya. So I got asked in a video, how would you handle a array of components in Svelte and render those dynamically? So I just made a quick REPL basically to show how you do that using Svelte component. It's a special element that Svelte offers us, which basically allows us to pass in any Svelte component and its props, and it will render it for us. So I've set up a quick REPL. Let's go through it. Here it's got a variable called page1, which is basically an array of objects. It's got a component which is called square that I've set up, and it's got some data for that component. We've also got a circle component here, which is just a component, and it's got some data for that too. If you look inside those, they both take in a prop called size, which sets the height and width of the div, and they both take in a prop called color, which sets the background color of the div. Square is the same idea. Size sets the height and width. Background color sets color sets the background color. We've got a second array here, which again has the same idea. It's an array of objects with a component, but it's just got some different data. For example, this one is green, yellow, and the sizes are a little bit different. Then we've got a final array down here, which is basically just storing those two arrays. And then we finally got the page, which is just like a page run, so I can just show you that they're rendering dynamically. So we're going to loop through the page, which is just going to be page 1 for now. So at this index, let's destructure it. We want to get the component out of it. Let's just destructure it like this, and let's get the data out of it. And now I'm going to make the divs because I have some styling set up here using CSS grid. Just got a basic grid set up here. And now we can use our Svelte component. A component. And in the this value, we can pass in the Svelte component. So we're looping through these guys up here. So square is a component, circle is a component, a square and a circle. So we should see a square, circle, square, circle. So we just pass it in here. And we see them. Cool. So it's rendering these guys. It's rendering these dynamically. The only thing is now we need to pass in our props. Because of the way they're named, we could like spread it in. But just to make sure it makes sense, I'll do it like this for now. The data dot size, and this size value is now being passed in dynamically as well. So as it's looping through, you can see these are slightly bigger because these are set to 100 and this is set to 80. You also pass in the color prop as well. Data dot color, and that changes the background colors to blue, like so, like we're expecting. It's pretty cool. You can pass in any props you want here. You can pass in functions, whatever you need. We could kind of be a bit more fancy with it really, and just like spread the data in to spread this object as they're named correctly anyway. Let's make it so that I can show you that these are dynamic and these are changing. So let's set up underneath here. Let's maybe make a button. I'll do on click, which will be a function, which is, let's just change this page, what number we're on. So let's render this array of data as well dynamically. So let's make the page number, so what number we're on. basically what index we should be getting. Should still work the same now. I'm going to make this reactive. So in Svelte, if you want to make something, so this is a dependency of this guy. So this will rerun every time page number changes. And I'm going to set page number equals to 1. So next page. So when we click this, this will change. It will update page to go to the array at index 1, which will be the second set. So we should see yellow, green, etc. If we click this, we see them change colors, and we're passing in a function on this last guy, which is being handled in here. So on click, we're doing the click handle, and that's being passed in here. If we click that, we should see alert, which we do, and you can just, it's pretty much that simple. That's how you'd loop through an array of components in Svelte. You can use this Svelte component special element to do it, and just pass in your props, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool, like. So yeah, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. See ya.